Just a little paint.
A little paint on my hand.
Yeah, look at that.
Look, a little paint on my hand.
Yeah.
I'm just making a little paint.
You're just mixing a little?
A little more.
I like it. Do you do any of it on the paper? Or just your hands? Okay, just your hands. You could do it there, yeah. How's that feel?
I can get more.
Do some more? Okay. Can you show me those hands? Let's see them. What color are they now? Wow! Awesome!